Today we will be showing you how to replace the power supply in a Quantum Scalar 24 tape library. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. If you need to order a replacement power supply for your Quantum Scalar 24 from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number 8-00245-01. There may be a couple of reasons that you decide you need a replacement power supply for your Quantum Scalar 24. The power supply may be completely dead, or it may have a fan issue where the fan is either spinning too slow or not spinning at all and giving you a power supply fault. If either of these events is occurring, you will need to replace the power supply. Once you have scheduled downtime, you will start by flipping off the power in the front of the library. Then you will move around to the back and remove the power cord from the power supply. Once it is removed, you will need to undo and remove the RMU or RMU bay cover plate to expose the screws that hold the power supply in place. Remove these screws and then you can pull the power supply straight back and out of the library and set it to the side. Now you will install the replacement power supply. Line up the power supply in the empty power supply bay and push it straight in until it is seated completely in the library. Then, fasten the screws that hold the supply in place and ensure that it is seated securely in the library. Plug the power cord into the power supply and return to the front of the library. Flip the power switch on and wait for the library to initialize. This should take approximately 5 minutes. Once the display shows the main status screen of the library, the initialization is complete and the library is ready for production. If you are having any issues with the power supply replacement procedure, or the library will not power on after replacing the power supply, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.